We are in the loading dock of Goffno Mall. We got some vacuum cleaner machine things here. And more importantly, they got the freight elevator. And it's an old Dover. What is this? And stone fixtures? I think someone just stuck that on there. Whoop. Gotta shut the door first. Jesus. Pretty heavy doors. Here we go. All right. Check it out. Dover. Come to think of it, that's actually the newer Dover logo, but it's still in red. I've never seen that before. That's interesting. So Oak Mill, and then here's your panel. Go back to, oh, and the phone. Bump into the cart behind me. It's rather slow. Oh look, the doors are made by Harris Preble. Anyway, that is going to be it.